Paano gumawa ng landing page para sa business mo? Hello everyone, this is Jesse Alcaraz. I teach people accounting, business, and financial literacy concepts. And for this video, I will be demonstrating kung paano ko ginawa yung simpleng landing page para sa business ko. And again, this is not my field of expertise. Na tuwa lang talaga ako because I was able to achieve something na under 2 hours lang siguro ko siya ginawa and satisfied naman ako sa naging output ko even though ako personally wala akong background sa IT. I don't know how to code. That is why natuwa lang talaga ako ng sobra that I was able to accomplish this. But before that, I will be sharing muna ano ba itong tinatawag na landing page, ano ang purpose nito para sa business nyo. And after that, I will be demonstrating sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa using ChatGPT and Gemini AI. So without further ado, allow me to share my screen so that we can start our discussion. Okay, so first and foremost, kailangan nating i-define or kailangan nyo maintindihan ano ba itong tinatawag na landing page. So, a landing page is a single web page. Actually, website po talaga siya. Designed to get a visitor to take one specific action. So, think of it this way. Your Facebook post, YouTube video, or ad gets someone's attention. Yun po yung ginagawa natin as ako personally, as a content creator, yung pinaka-page ko, yung pinaka-content ko, ang pinaka-purpose niyan is to draw attention from people. Specifically, yung target market ko, which are the business owners. But supposedly, hindi lang doon. If we are using our business pages as a marketing tool, it should not end by just getting attention. After getting that attention, we have to give them the next steps para mas matulungan natin sila. That is why, again, ang pinaka-content natin is to grab someone's attention and then they click a link. So dati, ginagawa ko siya through Google Forms. Okay? So instead of sending them to a complicated website, you send them to a focus page. Kasi if bibigyan mo sila ng isang page or website na sobrang complicated, there's a good chance na they will not be taking action sa gusto nating gawin nila. That page job is to convert them into a lead, a customer, subscriber, or a booking. So what we are basically doing here is converting the attention into something that benefits the business. Either gawin natin silang lead, they become leads to our business that we can talk later. Of course, if we can close them, pag-usapan natin, ma-present natin yung offer sa kanila and okay sila sa presentation natin, then they become customers or if not, at the very least, they will become subscribers or take a booking. So for your case, in my case, as an accounting consultant and content creator, a landing page might look like it looks like this. Need help understanding your business numbers, blah, blah, blah. So again, pinaka-purpose niya is to convert the attention that we are getting into our page. So yun yung pinaka-purpose ng landing page. So in my case, uh, I was able to link a custom domain for this landing page. That is why it looks like this. So stop guessing and start making business decisions. Okay, you can just search Alcaraz Accounting and check for yourself kung ano bang itsura ng landing page ko. But it's like this. Okay, and again, ginawa ko siya in under. Actually, hindi na siya 2 hours because I've made a lot of revisions kahapon. And ito, medyo satisfied na ako anong itsura nito. Okay? So, it looks like this. Ayan, puro AI yan. So, blah, blah, blah. So, ang pinaka-purpose nito is at the end of the page, there is a button for booking a consultation. So let us also look at the landing pages of other well-known business personalities. For example, si Chinky Tan. So, again, bawat Pilipino maging ipunaryo. So, ito yung kahapon lang ko lang din nalaman that this is the part na tinatawag na hero section. Kasi ito yung part that will get the most attention and raise interest sa mga taong magvi-visit ng landing page mo. To equip Filipinos to be wealthy and debt-free. So, straightforward, alam na natin kung anong pinakagusto niya. So, tell me how. So, again, it's something that gets attention. So, I'm Chinkitan, blah, blah, blah. So, ayun. So, ang pinaka-last nito is the what? Download Diary of a Pulubi or ito. So, free daw po ito. Okay. At yung stickers lang pala ang free. Okay, I'm not sure if libre ba ito, but let's see. Okay, Diary of a Pulubi, blah, blah. Okay. So, the stickers ang free. But the point is, meron siyang pinapagawa sa inyo at the end of the landing page. May lumabas din na RJ Guitars. So, custom shop, Philippine standard, accessible boutique guitar starting at, ayan. Ito yung landing page niya. Okay. So, join our mailing list. So, depende na sa iyo if you will be putting your emails there. Ito naman, Boss RDR. Okay. So, driven by purpose, leading with vision. Ito yung pinaka-landing page niya. Merong YouTube video, read my story. Okay. So, sa pinakababa, ito yung tinatawag na, wait lang, ano nga ba tawag dito? Credentials eh. It talks about credentials or it talks about, I forgot the name. Basta it talks about the credibility of the person. So, one way to do that is to highlight. Maganda yung page niya because the cursor, merong mga highlight. Is to highlight the following from different social media platforms. So 2.5 million followers in Facebook, almost 500,000 in YouTube, TikTok, and then Spotify. As seen, and ayan, it adds credibility. So grow your business with Boss RDR. Ayan. So ayan, merong mga buttons na dito that gets people into, kapag i-click mo yan, then makikita mo na yung mga services or products na binibenta nila. So, we also have Jos Mojica. Ito yung pinaka-landing page niya. Automatically, meron ng button dito to enter into a masterclass. Ayan. Maganda yung site niya because may rotating car. Okay, then pinakababa is to playbook in your inbox. Ayan. So, these are just examples of landing pages na from different business personalities. So, right now, ang gusto natin gawin is a landing page for, say, an aircon cleaning business, okay? So, pinaka-first natin gawin is punta tayo kay ChatGPT. By the way, yung ChatGPT ko is bayad. I have subscribed to ChatGPT Go, and you actually need this subscription in order to generate a lot of images. Because later, we will be using a lot of images para sa web page natin, para sa landing page natin. But before we generate images, we will be asking ChatGPT for some planning. Okay? So, I'm a local. So, at this point, it is very important na meron ka ng idea kung sino ba talaga yung target market mo and ano ba talaga sino yung target market mo, ano yung pain point na sinosolve ng business mo, and how will you be solving them through your services, or ano yung mga services mo that can solve their problems. But if not, then isama na lang natin siya sa agenda natin in planning with ChatGPT. So, I'm a local, ano ba yung tawag? Aircon cleaner. I'm a local aircon cleaner. And I wanted to create landing page for my business. The name is Jesse Aircon. JC Air Corners. Okay, invent lang tayo ng pangalan. I'm not sure on kung pwede tayong mag-Tagalog, ah. I'm not sure kung sino ba talaga ang target market ko, but in the past, most of them are working class. And based sa sinasabi nila, ako daw yung napili nila because local provider ako and reasonably priced. Yan. Based on what you told me, your target market is probably not everyone who needs aircon cleaning. Okay, this is important already because ChatGPT now is giving us an idea na hindi lahat. Okay, not everyone is our target market. The clue is in what your past customers actually said. Local provider ka and reasonably priced. That means they're not buying because you're the cheapest. Okay, reasonably priced. They're buying because this is just an assumption. It depends kung how well you know your business is. So they're buying because you're trusted, nearby, and affordable enough. Your likely target market is, okay, na meron na siya, working class, blah, 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 secondary market, okay. For the landing page, I'd avoid trying to appeal to businesses first. Focus on homeowners because they're easier to convert. Okay, so ito na yung structure na binibigay ni ChatGPT for our landing page. Hero section. So as I've told you, hero section is the first part of our landing page wherein it should pack the most message in a sense na dapat it grabs attention and it raises interest sa mga makakabasa. Headline, aircon mahina na ang lamig. Professional aircon cleaning at reasonable rates. Okay, I will not edit it, no? So I have some revisions in mind pero for simplicity kasi ang pinaka gusto lang natin i-demonstrate dito is paano siya gawin. So uh, I will not be using some of my experience and wisdom wisdom and knowledge. So ayan lang. So subheadline, trusted local, okay? Button, book an aircon clean. So why choose Jesse Air Corners, okay? People don't buy aircon cleaning. They buy mas malamig na hangin, lower electricity bills, iwas sira, peace of mind. So this is already the pain points that are being highlighted para mas ipa-deprive, tama ba yung term? Or to highlight the concern or the difficulties or the challenges experienced by our customers. Okay? So benefits. So ito, from pain point, bibigyan ka ngayon ng outcome. So this is, by the way, no, na-realize ko lang, this is no longer just a demonstration video, but, ano ba, a marketing discussion already to some extent. So dito na part, i-highlight yung pain point, i-highlight yung challenges and difficulties. And then in the next part, since you are already at that deprived state na nare-remind ka na sa hirap na na-experience mo, then your landing page will move on to the outcome na gusto mong makuha, wherein it highlights, restores the cooling performance, help reduce electricity consumption, removes dirt, dust, odor, local and responsive service, and fair and transparent pricing. Okay, at that very point, it already raises the interest of those na nakikinig. And then, punta na naman tayo sa service provider. We have to at least give them an idea, sino ba tayo? So keep this short. Jesse Air Corners is a local aircon cleaning service dedicated to helping owners. Okay? Social proof, even if you only have messenger screenshots. pwedeng gawin mo to. What customers say, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So, pricing section, don't make visitor ask even though. So, pwedeng maglagay ka na ng price for window type and split type aircon. And then, call to action. The call to action is a part of your web page wherein you are giving them the next step in order. Kasi, nagpakilala ka na. Alam na nila yung problema nila. Alam na rin nila yung solution to that problem. So this time, bibigyan na natin sila ng next step kung ano ang gagawin in order to solve their problem and concerns. Yan po yung call to action. This is where many local services fail. Instead of contact us, kasi ito yung typical na nilalagay, so you just need your air condition cleaned this week. So mas magandang tanong siya or mas magandang message siya because it forces them to answer yes or no as compared to contact us na parang okay, next time na lang. Okay? So, pwedeng ito or pwede, then you can have message yes air corners now for a free quotation and available schedule. Then may button. Okay? So, ito, wala. Hindi na ito kasama. Kasi tapos na tayo eh. Meron tayong button. So, ang pinare-remind lang ni ChatGPT sa atin dito is that yung positioning natin sa market. How are we positioning it? Are we positioning our business as the cheapest option in the market, as the best performer, and of course, the premium one, or are we in the middle, somewhere in the middle? So the positioning I'd recommend is your trusted local aircon. So not the cheapest, not the most premium, but someone who's trusted, and then local aircon cleaner. Di natin kinikater yung ibang city, ibang municipality, or somewhere that is far. We are concentrated and focused to our locality. Again, not the cheapest, not the premium one. Because your customers are already telling you why they choose you. Blah, blah, blah. Okay? So, copy natin to. The entire plan for our landing page. So, ito lang. Copy. And then, we'll be pasting it to Gemini. Kasi si Gemini is integrated into the Google environment or the Google ecosystem. That is why mas kabisado niya yung mga buttons and features na gagamitin natin because we will be structuring or creating our web page using Google Sites. Okay, I actually have a paid plan under Gemini, but we'll just, for purposes of this demonstration, we'll be using the free one. So I will be creating a landing page for my aircon cleaning business using Google Sites. Help me create it using this plan below. Give me a step-by-step process on how to do it as if I'm a newbie. As if I'm a newbie. And then, paste natin si plan that came from ChatGPT. Okay? So, blah, blah, blah. So, step 1, set up your Google site. So, go to sites.google.com. So, ayan. Wala pang laman because yung site na ginawa ko was under the paid plan that I have. So, ito, blank sites. Let's just create a blank site. Ayan na. Next, click the blank. We're done with that. Then, the top left, Jesse Air Corners. So, dito sa taas, Jesse Air Corners. Next, step 2, choose your theme. Okay? On the right side panel, the Themes tab, dito, merong ito, Themes. Select a theme you like. Aristotle or Diplomat work great for local businesses because they look sharp and professional. Choose a color palette and a nice ocean blue or cool. Okay? Let's check the Aristotle or Diplomat, or if you wanted other themes, Okay, let's just use this one, the vision, and then color palette, something blue. Okay, I'm good with this. And then font style, modern, classic. Okay. Sige, modern na lang. Let's use modern lang. And then after that, build the hero section, the top of your page. So this is the first thing people see. We want it to be striking. Change the background. So hover over the large header. So click image, header. Okay, this one, header. And then, ito, image. Okay, type your main headline. Saan na ba tayo? Hover, select, and look for a clean background. Image, and then select. Pagdating nyo sa select, go to Google Images. Okay? And then, aircon, cleaning. Let's check kung meron. Ah, pangit. So far, ang papangit. Aircon. Hmm, aircon cleaner. Kung wala kayong makuhang trip dito, you can actually go back to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT create a picture. So, sabihan natin sa ChatGPT, I need a cover photo for my landing page on aircon cleaning. Create one. Create image for this. Okay, so let's just wait while ChatGPT will be creating. So while waiting, balikan lang natin yung other instructions. So type your main headline, okay? Ito yung headline natin. Make this title size. Okay, title size, take note, title size, and then paste. Ito lang gamitin nyo, paste as plain text para hindi ma-change yung ano niya, font. The next would be press enter and then type your sub-headline. Ito, sub-headline, enter, then paste. Lagay natin sa center, and then subheading. Ayan. Aircon, mahina na ang lamig, professional aircon cleaning at reasonable rates. Okay, so we're done with our headline. Okay, this is really good. Download natin. And then, balik tayo dito sa site natin. Image, upload. Oh, ayan. Okay. It's actually not, medyo pangit siya, no? Kasi may text dito. So, we can actually move it down. Yan. Pwedeng dito sa baba. Or parang pangit eh. Remove text. Remove text, just the image. Balik natin. Palitan natin yung image. So, while waiting, balik tayo. Add the sub-description. Click insert on the right panel, then text box. Type your trusted local service text. Okay. Copy natin. And then, balik tayo dito. And click the insert tab and then text box. Then, paste natin. Ayan. Let's just subheading para medyo malaki. Yan. So, do we have our image? Okay, naku, ang pangit. Pero sige lang, okay na to. Image, upload. Yan. We can move it here. Okay. Di ba siya pangit? Okay na yan. So, trusted local aircon cleaning service, fast, reliable, and affordable, blah, blah, blah. Next, add the first button. On the right panel, click button. Okay. So, I instead of using the button here, may button dito sa baba eh. Button. Instead of using that, I prefer to use an image created by ChatGPT. So, balik tayo dito. Create me a button for this. Okay? So, link, for now, you can just paste the link to your Facebook page. So, kung wala, pwede kang gumawa ng Google Forms or kung wala ka namang Google Forms, you can just put your Facebook page, no? Although I would recommend na gumawa ka ng Google Forms and link it to the button na gagawin natin later. Drag the button so it sits right underneath your subdescription. Okay, balikan lang natin yan. Step 4. Why choose JC Airconner section? So people care about the results. So let's make this section stand out using a nice layout. On the right panel, click Insert tab and look at the content blocks. Okay, so ito po, insert and then dito sa taas, content blocks. Ito po yung content blocks. Ang instruction niya is look at the content block section and select the layout with one large text box or two column layouts. Let's use the standard text. So, one large text box or two column layouts. Pwedeng ito or ito, this one. Tama ba? Two column layout. Okay. We'll use this one. Ito sa baba. Let's drag. Sorry. Click natin dito. Dito natin gustong ilagay ito eh, sa baba. Yan. Drag natin sa taas. Yan. And then, by the way, yung button natin available na. Tapos na siya. So, download. Save. And then, dito, punta kasi sa insert, click image, upload, and then click the button. So, we want our button to be here. Dito. Dito sa gitna. Okay? Pwede natin iliitan konti para hindi masyadong malaki yung space. And then, click nyo tong button na to. Click this insert link na button. And then, paste the link of your Facebook page. Apply. So, when people click this button, dadalhin sila dun sa Facebook page natin. Okay. Dito na tayo. So, click text box and type why choose. Okay. May nakalimutan si ano eh. Si Gemini. Add tayo ng text dito. Text box. And then, let's put the why choose Jesse Air Air. 'Di ba? 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 ' Wait. Ano ba maganda dito? Ulitin natin. Let's delete this content blocks. And ito yung gamitin natin. Then, let's subheading, gitna. So, why choose Jesse Air Corners? Lagyan na natin yung mga reasons. Mas malamig na hangin. Yan. Ano tip, to make this section visually distinct, hover over the left side of this section, click the section background icon, the small paint palette, and choose emphasis 1, emphasis 2. I'll skip this one. Para di tayo matagalan. Okay. Okay. Dito pala dapat to. So, why choose Jesse Air Corners? Hit natin to. And then, dito sa baba will be copy and pasting these texts. Oops, patang laki. Ayan. Okay, why choose Jesse Alcaraz? Air Corners. And then, ito, we can add pictures here. So, balik tayo kay ChatGPT. What's a good image for this? Just give me one image to illustrate them all. Okay, so while waiting, balik tayo. Step 5 about Jesse Air Corners. So, click text box under the Insert tab. Okay, balikan natin yan later. Insert tab, text box. And then, change the text to heading type and about Jesse Air Corners. Okay. Heading. Heading. And then, lagyan natin sa gitna. About Jesse Air Corners. Add another text box below and paste your short, honest bio. Okay, text box daw na naman. And then, subheading, para mas maliit. And this one. Okay? Okay, wala pa yung image natin. Then step 6, social proof. So, under content block, select the 3-column layout. Okay? After nito, this one, ito, let's click this one. And then, if you have screenshots, click plus icon on each. Since walang screenshot, we can just use this one. Papagawa na naman tayo ng image. Okay. Medyo malaki, pero sige lang, try natin. Baka magkasya. Ito, dito yun sa ano. Pasok natin yung image na yun dito. Upload. Ayan. Click this icon para mag-uncrop siya, para medyo lumaki. You can actually increase its size, no? Pero medyo awkward na. Dito na lang. Hanggang dito lang. Yan. Okay, okay na yan. Ito medyo pangit tignan eh. Lipat natin dito sa taas. Ayan, mas maganda. Okay. Next part naman is for our social proof. What customers say. Let's add a text box na lang din ulit dito. Heading. Okay, what customers say? And then, ito, paggawa na lang natin ng image kay ChatGPT. Create images. Create images for social proof or reviews for this. Okay. Ang nakaka-bad trip lang nito is isang picture siya. Tapos, if parehas pa rin yung gagawin ni ChatGPT, this will just be one image pero may tatlong box. So, ang gagawin natin later, we will just be cropping them and saving them individually. So, while waiting, punta tayo sa pricing section. So, step 7. So, select two column layout from the content blocks. But before that, add muna tayo ng text box and then pricing. Add tayo ng pricing. And then this is heading. And then after the text box, ang suggestion ni Gemini is the two column layout. So, itong dalawa. Okay? Okay, we're done. Ayun, may image na. So, let's just save this and do it manually. Okay. Nakaka-bad trip to. Open lang natin via Paint. Ito yung ginawa ko ha, but of course, sa mga mas magaling, may better way sila para dito. So, ang ginagawa ko is, ito lang, selection tool. I'll just be tanggalin ganito lang. Hindi, pangit eh. Dapat kasama itong, yan. So, I'll just be copying it, open another paint window, and then paste it here. Adjust for size, and then save. F12, review number 1. Okay, next. Ito na naman, isa. Copy. Okay, para putol. Ulit. Yan. Save. Review number 2. And then lastly, this one. Copy, paste. Then, this is our review number 3. So, we have 3 already. And then, balik tayo dun sa page natin. We'll just be uploading those images. So, review 1. Click uncrop para hindi siya maputol. Medyo pangit, no? Pero sige lang. Then, number 2. Uncrop ulit. Then, number 3. Upload. Uncrop ulit. Ayan. So, we already have our social proof. Okay? Wala nang text. Yan na lang. Then, punta tayo sa pricing. So, left column, window type, cleaning. So, gawa tayo ng window type. Hanap lang siguro tayo ng pictures kung meron. So, select image, Google image, window type, aircon. May hanap tayo ng magandang image. Ang papangit ng image. Okay, paggawa na lang tayo ulit kay ChatGPT. Create a window type aircon image for my pricing section. Actually, dalawa ipagawa natin. After niyang matapos dito, paggawa ulit tayo ng create a split type aircon image for my pricing section. Or you can just go to Google and find some suitable pictures, no? Pwede rin gano'n. Below this column, add a small, okay. So, add na lang muna natin ito. Add tayo ng text. Text box, maliit lang, normal. And then, paste. Okay na yan. Lagay natin sa gitna. So, para may may disclaimer. Increase natin ng konti yung Okay, meron na tayong sheesh. Okay, sige. Then another one. Meron tayong window type. Download and then save. Lagay natin dito. Yan, uncrop. Window type. $500. Yan. Then, split type, meron na ba? Wala pa. So, step 8, final call to action, the closer. So, don't let them leave without contacting you. Let's give this section a strong background color so it grabs attention. Click text box and type your compelling closing line. Okay, so ito yung pinaka, natin, closing line. Text box. Add ng text box ulit. Dito na sa baba. By the way, when you drag some sections, no, hanapin nyo lang tong parang 10 dotted icon, then hover your cursor and then drag. Palakihin natin to. Title. Sobrang laki. Heading na lang. Lagay natin sa gitna and then press natin yung size. Kasi parang mas maganda yung title. Yan na lang. Litan ng konti ng size. And then for this one, okay, may image na for the split type. For the split type, split type, 1,500. Yeah. Okay. So, need your aircon cleaned this week? Message, yes, aircon is blah, blah, blah. Change the section's background to a darker color using paint palette icon on the left. So, it pops. Section background daw. Paano yan? Ito? Nope, not that one. Saan ba hanapin yan? Dito? Ito? Ang pangit. This one? Nope. I don't know. Yan na lang, hindi ko alam paano siya palitan ng background. Kayo na lang maghanap. Okay? And then, click button on the right. Get a free quote. Or you can just copy again ito. Copy nyo lang. Duplicate and then drag natin sa baba. So, parang binabalik lang natin. Okay, lakihan lang natin and then uncrop. Ayan. So, yeah, that's it. Pansit. It looks like this. So, aircon, mahina na ang lamig. Ayan. So, ayan, that's your simple ano, landing page. So you can just publish it. Punta lang kayo dito, publish. Yan. So, click manage and then public. Public na yan, done, then publish. So you can check this, ano, you can check this, wait lang. Publish settings, web address, yan. You can use this, ano, you can use this address to check this page. So if you go to this page, okay, makikita nyo na yung landing page na ginawa natin. So the button, when you click this button, it will take you to my Facebook page because wala naman tayong nilagay na Google Forms or other external link. Okay, so that's it, Pansit. Medyo mahaba yung video natin but I hope I was able to add value sa inyo so that you can try no, creating a landing page. Kasi if ipapagawa mo 'to sa iba, definitely you will be charged at least 10,000 pesos for it. So kato lang and may gabi sa tanan.